Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Vue.js. Make sure you have Node.js installed or npm or yarn installed. Select the default preset like Babel or ESLint, or manually pick features like TypeScript, router, Vuex, linter, etc. If you want more control, then choose Babel, router, Vuex, linter, CSS, preprocessors. After your selections, the CLI will install the dependencies and scaffold the project. Navigate to your new project folder and start the dev server. Now open your browser and go to localhost 2.8080. If you want a visual interface, use VUI command. This launches a local web interface that lets you create or manage projects, install plugins, configure settings, or run scripts. When you're ready to deploy, use the npm run build command. This creates a dist/folder with your production-ready app. If you're curious about adding Vue Router, Vuex, or customizing the build, just let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.